By using Windows key in your laptop, you can do lot of useful things, and these keyboard shortcuts you should know 100%. To instantly start or stop recording your screen, simply press the Windows plus Alt plus R keys at the same time and the recording will start. To stop recording, press the same combination again. Windows plus Alt plus R. If your laptop screen often got freeing, then just press Ctrl plus Win plus Shift plus B. It plays a vital role in resetting the video drivers in your system, which fixes any graphical mistakes while not having to restart your system. Press Windows plus D to display and hide the desktop if lots of files are open. Press Windows plus Ctrl plus O. Open on-screen keyboard. Press Windows logo key plus Print Screen button as a shortcut for print screen. Press Windows logo key plus Shift plus S. The desktop will darken while you select an area for your screenshot. Do you know while pressing Windows logo key plus H, it will enable the voice typing and everything you say computer will type it. This shortcut is for games. Just press Windows logo key plus Alt plus G to start and stop full screen recording. Press Windows plus left or right key to place any Windows left or right move to anywhere on screen. To open emoji tool, press Windows plus dot and select any emoji as you want. Just like smartphone, you want to open clipboard, just press Windows plus V. Press Windows plus X to open quick link panel, and there are lots of useful tools you will find out. For shutdown, press Windows plus 2 times U. Your laptop will shut down quickly. Tell us in comment box how many shortcuts you knew before watching this videos. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.